In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a subdomain in Hostinger. Let's jump right in. Once you log into your Hostinger hosting account, this is what the dashboard will look like. The first step is to click on the Manage button under the web hosting section. Now, on the left-hand side, click on the Domains tab. And under that, select Subdomains. On the right side, you'll see the option to create a subdomain. Here, type in the name you want for your subdomain. If you'd like, you can also choose to create a custom folder for it, where all the files for this subdomain will be stored. That's optional, but handy if you want to stay organized. Once you're ready, just click the Create button. And that's it. Your subdomain is now created. You can upload your website files or even install WordPress if you want to run a separate site on this subdomain. And there you go. The subdomain is set up successfully in Hostinger. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and updates.